In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashboards in Freshsales, a straightforward process that you can easily complete in under 5 minutes. Dashboards are a fantastic way to visualize data and track metrics that are important for your business. So, let's get started. First, we'll begin by heading over to the Freshsales website. Open your preferred web browser, type in the Freshsales URL, and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by the home page where you can see a variety of options and features available to explore. Next, to access your account, you'll need to click on the Login button, which is conveniently located in the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the login screen where you'll proceed to enter your email. Ensure you use the email associated with your Freshsales account. After typing in your email, press Continue and follow the usual prompts to sign in securely. Once you're logged in, look towards the left-hand panel of the dashboard. You should see a menu with several options. Here, you'll want to click on Dashboard. This section is where the magic happens. It's where you can create and customize your new dashboard. As you're exploring the dashboard section, focus your attention to the top middle area of the screen. There, you'll find a plus icon that you need to click on to add a new dashboard. This button is your gateway to a new, customized visualization space. After clicking on the plus icon, a drop-down menu will appear, offering various dashboard templates to choose from. These templates provide a structural starting point, which can make the creation process faster and more efficient. Take a moment to browse through the options and select the template that best suits your needs. Remember, the right template can make a huge difference in how effectively you analyze your data. Now, with the template selected, you're ready to tailor the dashboard to your liking. You'll notice that Freshsales allows you to edit widgets, giving you immense flexibility to add, remove, or modify the types of information being displayed. Are sales figures crucial for your next team meeting? Simply configure a widget to showcase that data. Want to keep track of the latest leads your team is pursuing? There's a widget for that too. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you've created a customized dashboard in Freshsales that can help propel your business forward by keeping key insights at your fingertips. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to explore the many other features Freshsales offers to make the most of your platform experience.